Hello YouTube, welcome to Vlogmas number 2. If you guys haven't even watched Vlogmas week 1, go watch that. It's welcome, and if you are new, welcome. We are about to start Vlogmas week 2, which is kind of getting into like the Christmas spirit. Everywhere around me is decorated for Christmas, so that's super exciting. I still feel like Christmas decorations is not enough, and I haven't really gotten to like the Christmas spirit for real. So this video is going to change that. Right now, I am going to go pick my boyfriend up. We are going to take my car today. We are going to go to Target to get our matching PJs. We're going to go pick up some baking stuff so we can bake some holiday cookies. And last, I think we're gonna do some like face mask skincare. That's why I didn't do my makeup today. And then at the end of the night, we're gonna watch some Christmas movies. It's pouring out, and it's been pouring for the last 4 days, so it's really time to wrap it up. Like, wrap it up. Right now it says it's literally gonna be 62 degrees. It literally says it's going to be 62 degrees today. 62 degrees, and it's December 10th. But I guess this is still maybe fall weather, because, you know, winter doesn't start till December 21st. And if you guys didn't know that, now you guys do. Also, I have a doctor's appointment today. Currently, right now, it's 11:38. I have a doctor's appointment for 3:15. So I think we're going to go do the shopping now, go to my doctor's appointment, and then come back and do the baking and stuff.
What's happening? Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit, they really ran through. Put a ribbon on me, I've been acting brand new. I ain't smoking on no Zylo, bitch, I'm smoking on you. That bitch made some pages just to sub me, but I block them all.
I'ma stop playing around. Let me get off this. Alright, we're at Target now.
You want Starbucks or no?
I do want Starbucks. Look how cute his drink is.
It's rude. I'm gonna sit here and eat my chicken nuggets.
That's good. I would honestly give this like a 9 out of 10. Or like an 8 out of 10. If I find anything I want, will you just get it for me? Y'all, this man just shoved this. This man just shoved this drink. This man get way too comfortable. Usually I didn't even put my own drink up in my purse. My drink is so good, y'all. Who is she? Say hey, Chad. What's up?
Hi, Chat. How you doing?
Getting the skincare now.
Going to my pen, y'all.
Okay, y'all. So we just got out of Target. It's still raining, of course. Shout out to my man, y'all. So we got the baking stuff, we got our matching pajamas, and we got our skincare, and then we brought a game. So it's currently 1:25. We're about to go bring these back to his house, and then we are gonna head to my doctor's appointment. It is warm outside. Like, it definitely is warm outside. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we're about to start baking, but me and my boyfriend, he wanted to wear it tonight, our matching PJs, and I was like, yeah, that's fine. So this is what the PJs look like, and they're like this like very soft fabric with just like pandas on it. Pandas, polar bears. So we're gonna start making the cookies. It's currently 7:40. We're starting at a good time. These are so cute. me. Put the lip mask on. No more talking. Thank God.